Hello everyone, in today's class we'll study diagrammatic presentation. Diagrammatic presentation. In the previous video, I explained about tabulation of data. Say, tabular presentation of data is more convincing. We can present the data and we can compare them and it is easier to analyze in tabulation. But the most effective method is by using diagrams and graphs. To make the data easy to understand by a common man, at a glance, diagrams and graphs are used. So what are diagrams? Diagrams are the visual aids which comprise of presenting statistical data in pictures, geometrical figures and curves. In diagrams, we are presenting data in the visual form or it is a pictorial representation of quantitative data. If we are representing the quantitative data in the form of pictures, then it is called as diagrams. So why we are representing data in the form of diagrams? So that we can understand it easily and we can read it easily. These are some of the forms of diagrams you can see. Next we have types of diagrams. We have four types. First one is one-dimensional diagram, second one two-dimensional diagrams, third one three-dimensional diagrams, and fourth one pictograms and cartograms. Let us see what is one-dimensional diagram. The diagrams drawn by considering only one dimension are called as one-dimensional diagrams. They are mostly bar diagrams. Here only height of the bars is considered. So some of the one-dimensional diagrams are first one simple bar diagram, second one multiple or compound bar diagram, third one component or subdivided bar diagram, and fourth one is percentage bar diagram. Next is two-dimensional diagrams. The diagrams which are drawn by considering two dimensions are called as two-dimensional diagrams. In two-dimensional diagrams, both height and width of the bars are taken into account. And here, the area generated by them is proportional to the magnitude of the data. So here we are considering both height and width. Some of the two-dimensional diagrams are pie diagram or pie chart, and it is also called as circular diagram. And second one is squares, third one circles, and the fourth one is rectangles. Next, let us see what is simple bar diagram. It is one of the one-dimensional diagram, and here the items are represented by rectangular bars of equal width with height proportional to the magnitude. Let us understand this using an example. Represent the following data by simple bar diagram. Years are given and student strengths are given. So let us draw the diagram. So first draw x-axis and y-axis. So in the y-axis, we will write on the student strength. So to write on the values of student strength, first we have to check which is the highest value. So in the data, the highest value is 220. So we can write on the values till 220 or more. That is 0, 50, 100, 150, 200 and 250. And in the x-axis, we will write on the years, that is 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020. And to draw a simple bar diagram, we have to draw the rectangular bars. So in the year 2016, the student strength is 150. So draw a rectangular bar till 150. And in 2017, the student strength is 220. So draw a rectangular bar till 220. Similarly, in 2018, the student strength is 180. So draw a rectangular bar till 180. In 2019, the student strength is 200. So draw a rectangular bar till 200. And in 2020, the student strength is 170. So draw a rectangular bar till 170. And you can see that width between each rectangular bars are equal. Okay, widths are equal between the rectangular bars. And also write down the title. So here the title is simple bar diagram representing student strength. And the scale is y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units. So here we have taken the gap of 50 units. So you have to write on the scale here. Next, let us see what is multiple or compound bar diagram. Multiple bar diagrams are used to represent various sets of interlinked data. Here, a set of adjacent bars, one for each component, is drawn for comparison. Bars are differentiated with shades or colors, and an index is provided for easy reference of bars. Let us understand this using an example. Represent the following data by multiple or compound bar diagram. Here the subject, that is physics, chemistry and maths, is given, and marks of student A and student B is given. So let us draw the x-axis and y-axis, and in the y-axis we have to write down the values. So in the data the highest value is 45, so we can write the values till 45. Okay, and in the x-axis we have to write down the student A and student B. Now student A has scored 40 marks in physics, so draw a rectangular bar till 40. And student A scored 30 marks in chemistry, so adjacent to this bar draw another rectangular bar till 30. And student A scored 35 marks in mathematics, so draw a rectangular bar adjacent to this bar till 35. Okay, so these are the marks, representation of marks of student A. Next, coming to student B. In physics he scored 45, so draw a bar till 45. And in chemistry he scored 25, so draw a rectangular bar adjacent to the previous bar till 25. And in maths he scored 30, so draw a rectangular bar till 30. Okay, now to make the difference between physics, chemistry and maths, let us shade the area, or let us color the area. Okay, so for physics we have shaded with blue color, and for chemistry we have shaded with red color, and for mathematics we have shaded with green color. So we have to show the index here. Also write down the title. Here the title is multiple bar diagram showing marks scored by two students. And here the scale is y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Okay, this is multiple bar diagram. Next we'll see what is subdivided or component bar diagrams. Here simple bars are drawn for the total magnitude of the variables. Further, those bars are divided into various segments, and each segment representing a given component of the table. Okay, and to distinguish between the various components, we will shade the area, or we will color them. So let us understand this using an example. Represent the following data by subdivided or component bar diagram. So here items are given, and your expenditure of family A and family B is given. So first, here in subdivided bar diagram, we have to calculate the cumulative values. You can see here these are the values, expenditures. So let us calculate the cumulative values of these expenditures. So first one is 2000. So to calculate the cumulative values, this 2000 you have to add 1000 to this 2000. 2000 plus 1000 is 3000. Next 3000 plus 1500 is 4500. Plus 1000, that is 5500. Plus 2500, that is 8000. Okay. So you can verify in this way, this total 8000 and this 8000 should match. And now coming to family B, now how to calculate the cumulative values here. So here first value is 1500. To write down the next value, 1500 plus 2000, 3500, plus 2000, 5500, plus 1500, that is 7000, plus 3000, that is 10,000. Okay, so we'll draw the x-axis and y-axis, and in y-axis we have to write down the values, and here you can see the cumulative values are up to 10,000, so you can write down the values till 10,000 or more. And in the x-axis we will write down family A and family B. Okay, and you can see in family A, the total is 8000. Okay, total is 8000. So draw a rectangular bar till 8000. Now we have to split this into different components. So check the cumulative value. First cumulative value is 2000. So in front of 2000 we have to draw a rectangular bar. We have to draw a straight line. Okay, And next, the clothing is 3000. So in front of 3000, draw a line. And next one is 4500, that is for rent. So draw a line in 4500. And for education, 5500. So draw a line in 5500. Okay, and the last one is 8000 here, that we had already drawn it. Next is family B. So under family B, the total is 10,000. So in front of 10,000, till there, draw a rectangular bar. And now to split the components, we have to check the cumulative values. First cumulative value is 1500. So in front of 1500, draw a line. And next is 3500. Next one is 5500. And next one is 7000. And the last one is 10,000 here. So that we already had drawn it. Now to make the difference between all these bars, that is food, rent, education and others, to make the difference we will color them or we can shade them. Okay. So here food is denoted by blue color and cloth is denoted by green and rent is denoted by a red color. Education is denoted by violet color and others are denoted by sky blue color. Okay, and also write on the title, that is subdivided bar diagram showing expenditures of two families. And here the scale under y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 2000 units. You can see here the bar gap is 2000 units. Next we have percentage bar diagram. This is another form of component bar diagram. Here the components are expressed as percentages of corresponding totals. Bars are drawn with height equal to 100 each. These bars are divided according to percentage components. So percentage of individual component is calculated by using a formula individual value divided by total into 100. Okay, let us consider an example. Represent the following data by percentage bar diagram. So here college A and college B is given and number of students in different streams are given, that is art, science and commerce. So in percentage bar diagram, first we have to calculate the percentages. Okay, so how to calculate the percentage? That is to calculate the first percentage, we have to do it as 900 divided by the total. Here the total is 3000 multiplied by 100. 100 is the total percentage. So we get 30. Okay, the percentage is 30. So in the same way, calculate all the percentages. And here we have to calculate the cumulative of this percentage. That is 30 and the next value, to write the next value 30 plus 32 we get 62. And next one is 62 plus 38 we get 100. Okay, so total percentage will be 100. In the same way, do the same for college B also. Calculate the percentage of college B and calculate the cumulative percentage of that. Next, draw the x-axis and y-axis. And in the y-axis, here we have the total percentage as 100. So write on the value still 100. And in x-axis, write down college A and college B. Okay, and under college A, the total percentage is 100. So draw a rectangular bar till 100. Now we have to split this into different components. So check the cumulative percentages. The first cumulative percentage is 30 for arts. So in front of 30, draw a line. Second one is 62. So draw a line in front of 62. And the third one is 100, that we had already drawn it. Okay. Similarly for college B, draw a rectangular bar till 100 because the total percentage is 100 here. And to make the different components, check the cumulative values. First cumulative value is 37.5. So draw a line in front of 37.5. Okay. Next, second one is 67.5. Draw a line in 67.5 and the last one is 100. Now to make the difference between each components, let us color it. Also write on the index, that is blue is for arts and green is for science and red is for commerce. Also write on the title, that is percentage bar diagram showing student strength. And here the scale is y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Next, what is pie diagram? It is also called as pie chart or circular diagram. Here, a circle is subdivided into sectors to represent the components, where the area of the sector will be proportional to the magnitude of the components. And we have the formula to calculate the angle here, that is individual value divided by total multiplied by 360 degree, because we know that total degree is 360 degree. To distinguish between different components, shades or colors are used and an index is provided. Let us consider an example. The following data relates to the expenditure of family per month. Draw a pie chart or pie diagram. Here expenses are given for different items. So we have to first calculate the angles. Okay, so how to calculate the angle? The first one is 1500 divided by the total. Total is 10,000 multiplied by 360 degree. We get the angle as 54. Okay. So in the same way, let us see the second one, that is 2000 divided by the total, that is 2000 by 10,000 multiplied by 360 degree is equal to 72. Okay, in the same way calculate all the angles. Next we'll draw the pie chart. Draw a circle and draw a radius in the circle. Then from the radius draw an angle of 54 degree. The first one is 54 degrees, so draw an angle of 54 degree. Okay. Next, now from this radius, from this line, draw a angle of 72 degree. Now, keeping this line as the radius, draw a angle of 72 degree again. Now, keeping this line as a radius, draw an angle of 54 degree. Now keeping this line as radius, draw an angle of 108 degree. Okay, now to make a difference between different components, let us color it. Let us color the areas. Okay, also write down the index, that is orange color for food and blue for cloth, green for rent, violet for education and red for others. Also write down the title. So here the title is pie diagram representing the expenditure of a family. Okay. Thank you for watching.